Hi children, today we are going to learn 6th Mathematics, Chapter 8 Decimals. In this video, we are going to learn decimals as fraction. In this video, we are going to cover the topics decimals as fractions, exercise 8.1, decimals as fractions. A decimal number is another way to write a fraction that has a denominator of 10, 100 or 1000 and so on. For an example, we can write 7 by 10 as 0.7 and read it as 7 tenths. We can write 7 by 100 as 0.07 and read it as 7 hundredths. Decimals are related to fractions. Look at this picture. Now we are going to write the fraction for this picture. You can write 1 by 10. Now we are going to express as decimal. That means we'll get 0.1. Then look at this picture. Here we are going to write the fraction for this picture. We'll get 3 by 10 because 3 are shaded. So total number of equal parts, that is 10. So 3 by 10. When you are going to convert as decimal, you will get 0.3. Convert fraction into decimals. 8 by 10. Here the denominator we have only 1 0. So we can move one place in the numerator from right to left. So we'll get, what is that answer? That is 0.8. Then second one, 16 by 10. Here also we have only 1 0 in the denominator, so we can move only one step the numerator from right to left. So we'll get, what is that answer? That is 1.6. Then third one, 33 by 100. Here in the denominator we have two zeros, so we can move two steps in the numerator from right to left. So I will get, what is that answer? That is 0.33. Then fourth one, 118 divided by 100. Here denominator having two zeros, so we want to move two steps in the numerator from right to left. So we'll get 1.18. Then we have 8 by 1000. The denominator we have three zeros, so we want to move three steps from right to left in the numerator. So we'll get, what is that answer? That means 0.008. Then sixth one, 4848 divided by 1000. In the denominator we have three zeros, so we want to move three steps from right to left in the numerator. So we'll get 4.848. Represent decimal numbers on a number line. Here there is given number line. Now we want to find the colored one. Am I right? So from 0 to 1 we want to find how many equal parts. That is 10. Am I right? So there is, what is the answer for this one? So we will get 0.3 because 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 10 means when you convert as decimal, you will get 0.3. Then what about this one? Yes, we want to count the equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that means 7 by 10. 7 by 10 means we'll get 0.7. Then what about this one? That is after crossing 1 whole number, then we'll reach 1, 2. That means that is 12 by 10 means we'll get 1.2. Example 8.5. Write the following decimal as fraction in their lowest form. 3.5. Now we are going to convert. That is 3 is a whole number part and 5 is a decimal part. Am I right? Yes. So 3 plus we can write zero point 0.5 means 5 by 10. Now that is given in addition. So we want to find the LCM, that is 10. So when you change according to the LCM, you will get 30 plus 5 divided by 10. So we'll get 35 by 10. When you simplify, that is 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. So I will get 7 by 10. 5.25. Here 5 is a whole number and 2 5 is a decimal part. Am I right? That means 5.25 means 5 plus 2 25 by 100. So now we want to find the LCM means we'll get 100. So change according to the 100. We'll get 500 plus 25 divided by 100. So we'll get 525 divided by 100. The denominator we have two zeros. Am I right? So and that is also multiples of 25. So we'll get 21 5s are 525 and 4 25s are 100. So we'll get 21 by 4. Is there any common factor? No, that is the lowest form. Decimals as fractions. A decimal number is another way to write a fraction that has a denominator of 10, 100 or 1000 and so on. For an example, we can write 7 by 10 as 0.7 and read it as 7 tenths. We can write 7 by 100 as 0.07 and read it as 7 hundredths. Fill in the blanks. First one 0.89 equal to. So how to write in expanded form? We'll get 0.80. Then we are going to write what about here? That is 0.09. Now we are going to write that is 0.8. And what about next one? That is we will get 0.09. The next one 0.10. Now we are going to write in expanded form. So what about here? We can write 0.10. Then what about 100 place here? That is 0.00. Am I right? Yes. Now you can simplify and write that is 0.1. When you add, you'll get 0.0. Write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form. 0.75. 0.75 we can write as 75 hundredths. That means 75 by 100. When you simplify, 3 25s are 75 and 4 25s are 100. So here we'll get 3 by 4. Is there common factor for 3 and 4? No. So we can write 3 by 4. 6.4. Here 6 is a whole number part and 4 is a decimal part. Am I right? So write 6.4 equal to 6 plus 4 by 10. That is 0 0.4 is represented as fraction. Now we are going to add two fractions means we will get we want to find the LCM. So that is 10. So when you find the LCM 10 means we can change according to that LCM. So we will get 60 plus 4 by 10. Now we'll get 64 by 10. Now we are going to simplify this one. So 32 twos are 64 and 5 twos are 10. So is there any common factor for 32 and 5? No. So we can write 32 by 5. That is the lowest form. 8.25. That is 8 is a whole number part and 0.25 is a decimal part. Am I right? So 8 plus 25 by 100. Now we want to find the LCM, that is 100. So change according to the LCM. So we'll get 800 plus 25 divided by 100. So we'll get 825 divided by 100. The common factor is 25. When you simplify this one, we'll get 33. 25 are 825 and 425 are 100. So is there common factor for 33 and 4? No. So we can write 33 by 4. That is the lowest form. Write the correct decimal numbers in the box. So 2.0 in between we have colored and 3.0 and 4.0. So now we want to find what is that number? So in between we have 10 equal parts, am I right? So count 2.1, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, am I right? So right here that is 2.5. Then next one here after crossing 3.0, am I right? So start to count 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8. Now we'll get 3.9. So write 3.9. Write the correct decimal number in the box. So here that is given 12.0 and 13.0 and 14.0. Now we want to find the colored one. So what is that answer? Now we are going to count the equal parts and write. Okay, so 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.5. Okay, we'll get 12.5. And what about this one? So we want to count from 13.0, then we can find the answer. I'm right. So 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, 13.4, 13.5, 13.6, 13.7, 13.8, and we'll get 13.9. So right, that is 13.9. Test your understanding. First question. The number after the decimal point is called the dash part. The options are integers, whole, decimal, and natural. What is that answer? That is option C, that is decimal. The first digit to the right of the decimal point is at the dash place. The options are ones, tens, tenth, hundred. The answer is answer C, tenth. Then third one, the first digit to the left of the decimal point is at the dash place. Options are ones, thousandth, tenth, hundred. The answer is A, ones. Thank you.